Hey there, today I'll tell you about how to buy Robux with PayPal. Robux is the virtual currency used in the online gaming platform Roblox. You can use Roblox to buy in-game items and services such as avatar accessories like outfits and animations, unique abilities in games, weapons, other objects, discounts on items, access to the item trading system. You can purchase Robux to earn them. So how you can buy Robux with your PayPal? So for this, first go to roblox.com and log into your account, or you can do it from your Roblox app. Then from the home page you will see an option Robux. Just select it. Then from here you will see their Robux packages and prices. So if you want to buy one of them, so just select your preferable one. Then you will see payment method here. From the payment type you will see option PayPal here. Just select it and just log into your with your PayPal credentials, and then confirm the purchase and follow the prompts. And that's how you can buy Robux with PayPal. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.